Introducing the new version of Vasco bags. It's a complete system of 9 bags and packing cubes, so that everything you need is neatly packed and quickly accessible.
Hi, I'm Archie, the founder of Vasco Bags. Last year you helped me bring my project to reality here on Kickstarter, and this is how the Vasco brand was born. Our first crowdfunding campaign was incredibly successful, with thousands of people backing our project and helping us to finalize it. Over 100,000 Vasco bags were manufactured during the last year. We started partnership with the major retail platforms. We launched a successful crowdfunding campaign in Japan, and we also filmed a commercial with Ken Harrington and got his support. We received a lot of great feedback from people all around the world, and not even a single negative comment concerning our bags. Very many shared awesome pictures of their Vasco bags along with the stories of their travels across the entire planet. And now we are back to introduce you the new generation of Vasco bags.
Our new sets are made of premium eco leather and new nylon material. 3 packing cubes with double compression help to save even more space. The shoe bag has a divider that prevents scratches and many sections. Now you can also carry your sneakers in a separate bag. There is a waterproof zipper on the toiletry bag that will prevent liquids from getting out onto your clothes in the luggage. The bag is very spacious but can fit in any bathroom for quick access. The electronics bag is made for carrying all your cables, electronics and other accessories. It not only looks stylish, but it is also very functional and has plenty of space. An RFID travel wallet keeps everything essential when you are in an airport. You can easily carry your boarding pass, passport, credit cards and iPhone in one hand. The packaging is also handy for using as a laundry bag. You can use it to pack dirty clothing after your trip. As a stretch goal, we will offer for sale a laptop sleeve with many pockets. It is quickly transformable into a shoulder bag. Listen to what owners of the previous version of Vasco bags have to say.
My wife, Toby, and I like to travel a lot. With these bags, everything has its own place.
I got my Vasco packing cubes from Kickstarter 6 months ago, 2-3 day trip. They save a lot of space, so I've been very happy so far.
I think it's amazing. It's got double zippers. I think what's really cool about it's water resistant.
The Vasco bags are amazing products. They do not only look great, also their quality is absolutely amazing.
Here is the electronic organizer from Vasco bags that I've been using for a while now. Man, this has a super quality.
I travel a lot for work. Vasco packing cubes have made my life so much easier. Thanks, Vasco.
We've also come up with a ladies kit consisting of 11 bags. Here are the bags we've added in addition to the main ones. The jewelry bag is a spacious enough bag to store your necklaces, rings, earrings, watches and more. There is underwear bag to store your bra and underwear. And a convenient bag with an attractive design for electronics. We took all the feedback we have received and made a really great product. During this campaign, you can get the complete kit for the special price.
Jesus!
There's no way.
Yeah, I can't break that.
All right, try and break it.
It's gonna cut through.
It's so thin though. I can't, dude, I can't. This is strong.
Please welcome the toughest, most comfortable, first ever lifetime guaranteed socks. We are William Painter. For the last 6 years, we've been dedicated to making the best quality products in the world. No compromises and no BS. It all started with the Hook, our titanium sunglasses, loved and endorsed by thousands of people and celebrities across the board.
William Painter sunglasses.
And then we opened our sock drawer. Holes in the toes, mismatched, socks just plain suck. So we thought, why not do to socks what we did to sunglasses? So we got to work. We found the best sock experts in the world, sourced the best materials, and designed the best no-sew sock ever. Introducing William Painter's Titan Sock. A truly invisible, durable, comfortable, long-lasting sock that will stick with you for life. We reinforced the toe cap with William Painter's signature Titan thread, an ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene that is 15 times stronger than steel, but soft as silk. This makes our socks some of the strongest and comfiest socks on the planet. We created our secure stitch technology to always retain sock strength, shape, and integrity, even after 10,000 washes. Our Titan socks are truly no-show. Our silicone heel webbing ensures that your socks never slip down your heel. Our compression elastic is built throughout the entire sock, making it the first performance no-show sock. Titan socks use silver ionized thread, which kill 99.95% of odor-causing bacteria and keeps your socks feeling fresh. The silver also helps wick away moisture and regulate heat, keeping your feet cool and dry. The Titan socks come in 2 colors, black or white. No nonsense, just clean, incredibly durable socks. Best of all, every sock is guaranteed by our William Painter Lifetime Promise. We created William Painter because we believe everyone deserves the best. And we believe that your socks should go as far as you do, guaranteed. Back our campaign today and enjoy the journey.
What is pure luxury? Having everything you want when you want it. Introducing the Elements Blanket. Imagine being at one with the sea, at one with the earth, at one with yourself. A blanket crafted from revolutionary sustainable materials. The Elements Blanket is the only blanket that combines the caring benefits of C-Cell with the energizing power of Celliant, blended together with the softest organic cotton. C-Cell is made from organic seaweed that is sustainably harvested from the shores of the Icelandic fjords. Seaweed contains many vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The C-Cell fibers within the blanket contain antioxidants that help protect you from free radicals. Free radicals come from pollutants in the air, the food you eat, and the world around you, and can accelerate aging, skin damage, and other adverse biological effects. Antioxidants are shown to neutralize and reduce free radicals, helping protect your skin. Living well demands the ultimate in comfort. The innovative, FDA-determined Celliant technology supports your rest and recovery. Celliant's eco-friendly technology recycles your body's natural energy into infrared light that is then emitted back into your body's tissue, aiding recovery and increasing energy. Infrared light is a proven vasodilator, boosting localized blood flow and increasing the amount of oxygen reaching your muscles, helping to restore them faster. Perfect after any activity. And when it's time for bed, not only do you experience enhanced comfort, but the blanket also promotes a more restful and efficient night's sleep. The purest elements of nature blended together to support your every need. This is the most powerful all-in-one wellness blanket, created from the elements, made by Yasa.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move.
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo. Whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.